Corfu is one of the greenest islands in Greece. Unlike dry rocky islands, Corfu is full of trees, hills, and lush landscapes that reach all the way down to the sea. And because of that, the beaches here feel different. You don't just get sand and water, you get cliffs covered in greenery, hidden coves between rocks, and water so clear it feels unreal. Some beaches are calm and family-friendly, others are wild, dramatic, and full of energy. Today we're exploring 8 best beaches in Corfu. Long, cinematic, and worth discovering. Number 8, Glyfada Beach. Glyfada Beach is one of the most popular sandy beaches in Corfu, and as soon as you arrive, you understand why. The beach is wide and covered with soft golden sand that feels comfortable under your feet. There's plenty of space to spread out, so even during busy days, it doesn't feel too crowded. The water here is clear and usually calm, making it perfect for swimming or just relaxing near the shore. You can slowly walk into the sea without sudden depth, which makes it safe and enjoyable. Because it's well developed, you'll find beach bars, restaurants, and sunbeds easily available. You can spend the whole day here, swimming, eating, relaxing, without needing to go anywhere else. It's a perfect mix of comfort, beauty, and convenience. Number 7, Issos Beach. Issos Beach offers a more lively and social atmosphere. Located near a busy area, this beach is full of energy, especially during the summer. The beach is mostly pebbled and the water is very clear, with a smooth entry into the sea. Because of its location, you'll find cafes, restaurants, and nightlife just steps away. During the day, it's perfect for swimming and relaxing. At night, the area becomes vibrant and full of life. It's a great choice if you want both beach time and entertainment. Number 6, Barbati Beach. Barbati Beach is known for its crystal clear water and beautiful mountain backdrop. The beach is covered with white pebbles, which helps keep the water extremely clean and transparent. When the sunlight hits the sea, it creates shades of blue that look almost unreal. Behind the beach, you'll see green hills and mountains, adding depth to the view. It's a peaceful place, perfect for swimming and enjoying nature without too much noise. Number 5, Agios Gordios Beach. Agios Gordios Beach is one of the most scenic beaches in Corfu. It is surrounded by dramatic cliffs and green hills, which create a beautiful natural frame around the beach. The sand is soft and golden, and the water is usually calm, making it perfect for swimming and relaxing. One of the most eye-catching features here is the large rock formation rising from the sea, which adds a unique and photogenic element to the landscape. The beach is wide, so you have enough space to find your own quiet spot. In the evening, the sunsets here are especially beautiful. The sky lights up with warm colors, reflecting over the sea and creating a peaceful atmosphere. Number 4, Paleokastritsa Beach. Paleokastritsa is not just a single beach, it's a collection of small bays and hidden coves. Each cove offers something slightly different, but all of them share one thing: incredibly clear blue water. The area is surrounded by green hills and rocky cliffs, giving it a very natural and untouched feeling. The water here is deeper and slightly cooler, but extremely refreshing, especially on hot days. It's one of the best places on the island for snorkeling. You can see fish, rocks, and underwater details very clearly. You can also rent a small boat and explore nearby caves and hidden spots that are not reachable by foot. It's perfect if you want a mix of beauty and adventure. Number 3, Canal D'Amour. Canal D'Amour is one of the most unique and interesting places in Corfu. The beach is famous for its unusual rock formations that create narrow channels, small caves, and natural pathways through the cliffs. The shapes of the rocks look almost sculpted, giving the place a very special and different appearance. According to local legend, couples who swim through the narrow channel will stay together forever, which adds a romantic touch to the location. The water is usually calm and shallow in many areas, making it easy to explore and swim around. It's not just about relaxing here. It's about exploring, discovering, and experiencing something different. Number 2, Issos Beach. Issos Beach is all about space, nature, and freedom. This is a long, wide beach with soft golden sand stretching as far as you can see. Behind the beach, you'll find sand dunes and a protected lagoon area, which adds a unique, natural element to the landscape. The beach feels open and uncrowded, even during busy times. The water is clear, and the wind here can be stronger, which creates gentle waves and a sense of movement in the sea. It's a perfect place for long walks, relaxing, or simply enjoying the natural surroundings without distractions. Number 1. Porto Timoni Beach. Porto Timoni is one of the most breathtaking beaches in Corfu. What makes it truly special is its rare double bay shape, two beaches connected by a narrow strip of land. Each side has a slightly different feel. One side is calmer, while the other is more open and energetic. To reach this beach, you need to hike down a path, which takes some effort and good shoes. But once you arrive, the view is unforgettable. The water is crystal clear, the surroundings are green and wild, and the entire place feels untouched by heavy tourism. Swimming here feels special, almost like you've discovered a hidden place. It's not just a beach, it's an experience that stays with you. Corfu is not just another Greek island. It's where green landscapes meet crystal clear sea, cliffs covered in trees, hidden coves, and beaches that feel alive. Every place here offers something different. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves travel. And tell me in the comments, which Corfu beach would you visit first?